In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the PayPal friends and family option not showing. This is an issue many users encounter, and it can be quite frustrating if you're not sure why this option isn't appearing when you're trying to send money to a friend or family member. So let's dive into some simple steps that could help solve this problem. First, head over to PayPal's website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the login button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. If you're having trouble logging in, make sure that your credentials are correct. It's always a good idea to double check for any typing errors just to be safe. Now, if the friends and family option is missing from your account, don't worry. This is usually because you're attempting to send money as if you were making a purchase. The friends and family option is specifically designed for those personal times you're sending money without any goods or services involved. Let's clarify why this option might be missing in the first place. A common reason is that the recipient's PayPal account is set up as a business account. This is important to note because if you're trying to send money to someone who has their account set for receiving payments for goods or services, the friends and family option won't appear. Another reason could be that your own account settings might be tailored for business transactions. PayPal provides different features for sending money depending on what your account is primarily used for. To fix this, go ahead and log back into your PayPal account and then select Send Payments. After that, enter the recipient's details, whether it's their name, email, or phone number. Make sure all the information is correct. Next, you'll enter the amount you wish to send, select the currency, and you also have the option to add a note. This is where you get to choose why you're sending the money. When you see the option, decide whether you're paying for an item or service or sending to a friend. If you see that you're indeed sending to a friend, select the Sending to a Friend option. This is crucial because it differentiates personal transactions from business ones. Once all the details are confirmed, go ahead and finalize your payment by pressing Confirm. By following these steps, you should be able to see the friends and family option reappear and send money accordingly. I hope this helps clarify the issue and makes your transactions smoother in the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.